So, 4 cadets onto your right on the central sofa. 156 course NDA scheduled on 1st of July. I'll start without wasting any time with introduction of Paras. He will come here and in 2 minutes he will give a brief summary of his journey, what he has gone through to achieve what he has achieved already. Paras, welcome.
Thank you, Colonel sir, for giving me this opportunity to share my journey with these students. I joined the DDA in 2024.
I cleared my written in 2024 first written, and then I prepare for my SSB, but I got screen out from 20 SSB Bhopal. Then after got screen out, I didn't clear NDA attempts. Then I cleared the written examination for NDA 156 and give my SSB 817 SSB Bengaluru. Then I cleared my SSB from there and clear my medical. I got All India rank 307 in NDA 156 course. When I told you about my journey, just prepare hard with the consistency and focus first on your written examination, score well in your written examination, because many of my friends got merit out because they do not have good marks in their written examination. Then prepare for your SSB, and communication is the key to clear the SSB. Then reach to the SSB board and you will clear your SSB. Thank you. And I am going to invite Nikhil Yadav on. Please come here.
So, Jai Hind everyone. My name is Nikhil Yadav. I am an ex-cadet of Pratham Pak Foundation Course 01. So, I had joined DDA a few years back, and today standing in front of you all after getting recommendations from 5 AFSB Guwahati and got All India rank 281. If I start my journey, so far I have given 3 attempts of NDA, in which in first attempt I was recommended from 2 FSB Mysore and cleared my medicals, but unfortunately I got merit out as my rank was 589 at that time. But I didn't give up. Again I tried in my second attempt and unfortunately again got screen out from 4 FSB 1RC. But I didn't give up there also and again tried in my third attempt and finally got recommended again from 5 AFSB Guwahati and got All India rank 281. So what I had learned in this journey is that we should never give up despite challenges. It's a part of life. It just comes in our life to make us strong, not to just destroy us. So just trust the process and just keep moving and keep building yourself. You got such a huge benefits and opportunities in DDA, as you are getting many sports opportunities, public speaking. We have got such a good teachers. We have got a good mentors. So you don't have to search for anything from anywhere. You already have everything in your plate. So just utilize in such a way that you just clear everything in your first go only. So I would say just maintain your consistency, discipline, and just move forward. Thank you.
Good morning, friends. I am Darshil Rankawat from Pali, Rajasthan. I have joined DDA in April of 2025 and given my first written examination in the September, and I got recommended this time from 2 AFSB Mysore, and I have cleared my medicals from the Bangalore, and I got All India rank 311. So one thing I learned from my journey is that you should never be give up because of the failures you got, because the failures you will face in your entire journey is your key. So never be afraid of failures and trust the process. Thank you.
First of all, Jai Hind my friends, and Jai Hind to all my teachers of DDA. So I joined DDA in April 2024 and I gave my first written attempt in September 2024. But unfortunately, I was not able to clear that written exam. But I didn't get demotivated at that time because some of my friends cleared that written exam and I got motivated to clear my next written exam by seeing them. So I prepared better for the next time and get a good support and consistency from all my DDA faculties who were teaching me for the written exam. And one thing I learned, that consistency will keep me motivated throughout my all the journey. So in my first SSB, I got conference out. Then I prepared for my next attempt, and in my second SSB, I got recommended from 24 SSB Bangalore, and I cleared my medicals, and I got All India rank 190. So I will be joining NDA in July. And one thing I want to tell, that in whole SSB, you have to be natural. You have to be natural throughout all the SSB process, because that will reflect your true personality. And officers there are seeing your true personality, because if you become fake there, you will, in my opinion, nobody will clear the SSB if being fake. So we have to be natural, and we have to keep working hard and never get demotivated. So thank you.
This is the right time, because they are here today. You got this opportunity. So you all are preparing for the defense forces. You also becoming a defense officer. आपके लिए इतना अच्छा एक opportunity है. This will be the interesting sections. All the four are here to answer you. अगर आपको कोई questions हैं, how they have prepared here about the defense forces, how they have cracked the SSB, anything you want to ask. So one by one, straight away you will raise your hands and you will ask the questions. Okay?
Jai bro. What was your biggest mistake during your first attempts?
I cleared my exam in my first attempt, so I think there is no that biggest mistake, but there is a mistake. I score very less in my first attempt. I just cleared the merit, I just cleared the cutoff with 2 marks.
And what daily habits helped you the most before SSB?
Habits are, I am working on my communication skill. I daily speak English and read newspaper. I go to gym, go to running, go to trekking, and I also take swimming classes in nearby swimming pool. That are my habits when I am going for the SSP.
Okay, thank you.
Deputy General Manager, Fleet Ship Management. He is here with us for this cash award ceremony. First of all, welcome, sir, for this ceremony here in Trishakti Campus of Doon Defence Academy. Today we are going to start the cash award ceremony. As per tradition of Doon Defence Academy, every student getting cash award from Sandeep sir, Director Doon Defence Academy. This time, as you know, that NDA 1564, we got a number of students going to report National Defence Academy, Khatagwasla. They are here with us. Now today, they will get a cash award from our chief guest, Mr. Prasad Sharma sir, and Director sir. Now directly I am calling the name of the students. 4 students for NDA 156 course. Darshil Rankawat, All India rank 311. Darshil got 311 rank. Previously got at Doon Defence Academy 151, 152, 153, all the courses. Numbers of the students reporting. Next event, Paras Maan, All India rank 307. Paras Maan, SSB Board, Bangalore. Paras Maan. And next students, our Pratham Board 1 students, Cadet Nikhil Yadav, he got a All India rank 281. He selected from 5 FSB Guwahati. Next students, Raj Mangalam, All India rank 190. Raj Mangalam, selected from 24 FSB Bangalore. Apart from this, so many
Kindly subscribe DDA YouTube channel and don't forget to press bell icon.